Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, May 3 to 5, 2021. And this is brought to you by this website, Typhoon2000.com. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have the easterlies and northeasterly surface wind flow affecting portions of the Philippine Islands. The easterlies is bringing some windy conditions and some passing showers or thunderstorms across extreme northern Luzon, and also includes portions of central Luzon including Metro Manila, while northeasterly surface wind flow will prevail across the Bicol region, most parts of Mimaropa, Visayas, and the rest of Sulu archipelago. So expect on these areas to be breezy with still good weather, but in some areas like in portions of the Bicol region and most parts of eastern Visayas, they will be affected by these rains and thunderstorms brought about by this northeasterly surface wind flow. While here over southern Palawan, Mindanao area, including the Bangsamoro offshore areas, they will be affected by the surface trough, so expect cloudy conditions with rain showers or thunderstorms. The temperatures here is really increasing. During 12 noon, it reached a high of 33 to 34 in some areas, with heat index reaching a high of 40 to 43. So don't forget to drink lots of water. Outside the Philippine area of responsibility, we have another surface trough here to the south of Marianas, or south of Micronesia near the equator, but it's not yet conducive for tropical cyclone or low pressure area development. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. Here's the fast animation. You can clearly see here some thunderstorms moving across the Visayas, brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow. And if we look at our zoom in satellite animation as of this time, it's around 7 p.m. right now, you can still see the thunderstorms marching towards Panay Island and portions of Iloilo, and also over northern Negros and northern Cebu, and also here along the western sections of Mindanao and southern Palawan. So these are localized thunderstorms brought in by the northeasterly surface wind flow, wherein in the next few days it will shift to easterlies. And as we look at our forecast for the next 24 to 48 hours until Wednesday, by tomorrow afternoon, expect some rain showers and thunderstorms across portions of the Bicol region, eastern sections of northern Quezon, Calabarzon, eastern sections of Cagayan and Isabela, Aurora province also included, and the mountains of Cordillera, as well as portions of Palawan, Mindoro, Visayas, and much stronger thunderstorms will be expected over central and western Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga Peninsula by tomorrow afternoon. And on Wednesday, we still have rain showers and thunderstorms in various parts of the country, particularly over Panay, Bicol region, the mountains of northern Luzon, Cordillera, as well as portions or some areas of Mindanao on Wednesday afternoon. So far, that's the effects of the northeasterly shifting to easterly surface wind flow across the Philippine Islands. And lastly, before we said goodbye, we would like to give a big thanks to the management and staff of Kirikat, the last resort located along San Ramon, Siruma. It's a very beautiful place, and you could book if you want to stay there. It's by appointment only. There's no walk-in on this resort, so you need to message them to book if you want to escape from busy lives and explore nature. It's a beautiful place. I'm gonna show it to you in a while. So this is the location of the T2K Kirikat weather station along San Ramon, Siroma. This is the northernmost part of our network of automated weather stations under T2K. So these are volunteer weather stations. So it's facing the Pacific. The winds is quite strong because of the northeasterly surface wind flow. So this is the location of the station facing the Pacific, which we installed yesterday, May 2nd. So that's the Davis Vantage view, and another view of that station. Okay, so beautiful and vet taking. And this is me, okay, with the automated weather station. And also this is the place. It's just a house where you can book your family for a getaway, okay, away from busy lives to relax. It's it can accommodate 8 to 10 people. So it has second floor. So here's the weather station. So moving forward, they will be updated on the winds and the rainfall of an approaching weather system, or even during normal weather, since it's very difficult to reach that place, especially when it's rainy, and it can only be reached using 4x4 vehicles, okay, motorcycles, etc., but not sedans, okay. And here's the data, which we are looking real time as of now, 7:05 p.m. So the winds remains at 40 kph. They registered or recorded a high wind speed or wind gust of 79 kph early this morning, around 3 a.m. because of a squall generated by thunderstorms, generated by a local thunderstorm passing over Siruma early this morning. That's why the wind gust or the squall that passed, the local fisherman calls them subasco, reached a high of 79 kph, blowing from the northeast or northeast. And generally, it's from the northeast. That's why our wind system here in Bicol is northeasterly surface wind flow, not yet easterlies. And 68.8% of the winds is more than 32 kilometers per hour for the past 24 hours, blowing from the northeast. That's the dominant wind system or wind direction. That's the dominant wind direction as of this time. And humidity is quite high because it's closer to the coastal areas. And no rainfall. The temperature is lower, and heat index also lower, 34 degrees, because of the strong winds, and much closer to the cool breeze of the Pacific Ocean or the Philippine Sea. And so far, that's the latest weather station that we've installed. Again, thank you to the staff and management of Kirikat, the last resort. It's such a beautiful place. Okay, so don't forget to visit their website at www.facebook.com/Kirikat for more details on reservations. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday evening, May 3rd. And we'll be back on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.